Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a cheese souffle. This is going to be dinner tonight. And it comes together really quickly, and I didn't think that was the case for whatever reason. And you can make this too for dinner. You really could. I know it sounds complicated, a souffle, whatever. It's a French word, but that's it. The rest of it comes together on the stovetop. You mix some egg whites in, throw it in the oven. That really is it. So, first things first, let's do the song. Calling all those Swifties out there, this one is for you. And for tonight, for dinner, it is an easy cheese souffle. Add Gruyere in nutmeg, you're clearly on your way. Okay, not as good as Taylor Swift, but come on. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Get your heat-proof dish that has a tall sides on it ready to go. And let's put some softened butter in there. We're gonna put this whole thing in there. Mix it around. Make sure you get up on the sides. Add some grated Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna shake that to get it up on the sides of this bowl. Medium heat. Add your butter. To make it melt faster, feel free to cut your butter. Once melted, add your flour, salt, cayenne pepper, mustard, nutmeg, whisk. You're looking for small bubbles to form, which it is. This is about after a minute and a half. I turned down the heat a little bit too. Add your milk in slowly. Whisk for another 2 to 5 minutes until the mixture thickens and begins to bubble. It's bubbling and thickening. We're gonna go ahead and let this cook for 1 more minute, and then we add the cheese. Remove from the heat and add in your Gruyere cheese, or whatever cheese you like. Whisk in. Add the herbs of your choice. Add in your egg yolks. Whisk until combined. Once combined, set to the side to cool for a little bit. Add your egg whites and your cream of tartar. Mix about 3 to 5 minutes until stiff peaks form. You've got some stiff peaks. Take about 1/3 of your egg whites. Look how fluffy that is, just like a cloud. Put it in your cheese souffle mixture, and we're gonna whisk this in until that is well combined and no streaks appear. Take another 1/3 and fold in best you can with a whisk. Add your last bit of egg whites in. Okay, pour it into your pan. Should not reach the top, so if it does, stop before it gets there. Into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. It should rise about 2 inches above this pan. I was actually able to make 2 baby cheese souffles as well, so those are also going in. Time is up, and boy, did it get puffy. Holy tamale, look at this. Woo! You can see it a little bit wobbly. You want to eat this right away because it is going to fall a little bit within 2 minutes. Look at how tall this got, even though it has been sinking because of the steam coming out of the oven, getting to room temperature now. We're going to go ahead and dig in and take a spoonful out. Oh my goodness. Does that look great? Look at that. Oh my, that looks great. Look at the cheese souffle. It's steaming, and you can sort of see how it looks a little wobbly, right? This is something that is meant to be eaten right away. And as you saw, you could put whatever cheese you want in it, whatever herbs you want in it, spices, etc. So you can customize it. It's so easy to make. Let's dig in. Okay. Ooh, that looks great. It is cheesy, it is light and fluffy, just like a souffle is. It is airy. It is just delicious. This is delicious. You could serve this by itself or with a side salad. The choice is yours. This is truly delicious. And again, it's so easy to make. Who knew? If I can make a cheese souffle for the very first time on camera with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Keep those recipe requests coming. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.